gives access to types of work that you would not otherwise get access to, mainly exciting projects, and you keep doing something new all the time.
The potential for growth in my career.
It's mainly the team, passion for technology and the strong delivery focus.
You have a lot of career opportunity. You can make a change.
I really like working with cutting-edge technology.
It's the people, the culture and the working environment.
We have very in-depth knowledge when we come to a project of the technologies we work with and how to implement it.
Our global network gives us a bit of a differentiator from our competition.
We have the passion for technology combined with the delivery skills.
They see us as the real value creators.
We have the technology capabilities from Microsoft, and we have the delivery capabilities and the industry knowledge from Accenture.
It's very easy since you have a career manager that gives you a clear action plan for you and determines it with you. It really helps you to define your goals and helps you to reach your goal.
Avanade has helped develop my career in terms of being offered the chance to take on more responsibility, to really prove myself.
While the organization is growing, I can explore every function, every role that is available out there, and they will support me.
Avanade environment is an open environment with a lot of people that share knowledge, experiences, passion. So this kind of environment has helped me a lot to improve my skills, my personal abilities, and in general my career.
Avanade definitely stays on the cutting edge as much as possible. We leverage heavily our partnership with Microsoft.
Avanade, since I've joined, is always a step ahead, I would say. We have direct insight into Microsoft developments and newest technologies that are coming out.
I do believe that Avanade operates ahead of technology trends. I really think it's in our DNA. That's what we've been doing for the last 10 years.